What's up guys, it's Osiris. Welcome to another video in this sampling series. Today we're going to be taking a look at how you can split elements of your sample. So we're taking a quick look at how you can split the vocals and the instrumentals from your sample so you can process each of those elements individually. What we are going to be using to split these elements is a tool called Splitter, and this tool is made by Deezer. So this is the code for Splitter. I'll leave a link to this in the description below, and you can run this code by yourself in your command line interface and split samples and split elements into different parts. That's the vocals, the bass, the instruments, and the drums. You can do that locally on your PC, and I'll leave a link to how you can set this up in the description below. But other websites use this algorithm to set up an online service where you can achieve the same thing. And two of those services are splitter.ai and lala.ai. So you can just drop your audio file here or here and split the samples. So I've dropped the sample we've been using, this sample. So I've dropped the sample here and I've been able to separate it into two elements. That's the vocal and the instrumental. So we have the elements here. Let me play this. So this uses artificial intelligence to split these samples into different parts, and this is not something you'll be able to do by your own with effects in any digital audio workstation. So you can achieve this, but it's not going to be as clean as this. So let's check out the instrumental. This one is a bit rough because it splits it into just two parts. That's the vocals and the instrumental. But you can split it into as many as 5 different elements. So this was a very quick one. I just wanted to show you how you can process elements individually by splitting them into different parts. So that's how to split a sample into different instrumental parts. I'll leave a link to all these sites in the description below, and that will be all for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I hope you learned something from this. If you did, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. If you have any questions about this, leave them in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next video.